Okay, let's talk about the x and y intercepts. So when we talked about functions, we talked about the intercepts being the points where the graph crosses the axis. The x-intercept is where it crosses the x-axis, the y-intercept is where it crosses the y-axis. So in this picture, the x-intercept is that point 4, 0. The y-intercept is this point 0, 5. If I want to find the equation of this line, I have two things I can do. I can look at the picture and count the slope. It goes down 5 and over 4. So my slope would be negative 5 over 4. You could also use your formula. Change in y, 5 minus 0, over change in x, 0 minus 4 is 5 over negative 4. Remember, the slope-intercept form of a line says y equals mx plus b. So if you found m to be negative 5 over 4, and you can see the y-intercept, 5, then you can just say y equals negative 5/4 x plus 5. If you wanted to use the x-intercept, you could use the point-slope form of the line and solve. That would be okay too. So this equation was in slope-intercept form, which is nice because we had the intercept already. Another way we can use the intercepts is that we can graph a line using the intercepts. So to find the intercepts, notice that if a point lies on the y-axis, then the x value is 0. And if a point lies on the x-axis, then the y value is 0. So to find the y-intercept, you plug in x equals 0 and solve. To find the x-intercept, you plug in y equals 0 and solve. So to find the y-intercept, I'm going to use my equation and I'm going to put in x equals 0. So that says 3y is 18, divide both sides by 3, y is 6. So my y-intercept is going to be the point 0, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. To find the x-intercept, I plug in 0 for y. So I get 2x is 18, divide both sides by 2. X is 9, so 9, 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I just connect the dots, and there's the line. 2x plus 3y is 18. You could have solved for y and used the slope-intercept form to graph the line, but this is a lot easier if you can find those intercepts right away, because then you have 2 points, you plot it, you have your graph.